C18 and I'm here to demonstrate the bird dog series. So, are you ready? Let's go!
What is Bird Dog Series? Bird Dog Series is a straightforward core exercise that increases stability, promotes a neutral spine, and alleviates low back discomfort. It strengthens the muscles in your core, hips, and back. It also improves range of motion and encourages appropriate posture. Your thigh muscles are developed by movements that focus in and involve the kneeling position. In lifting of your right arm and left arm, it needs to be level with your back. First variation, 16 repetition of your right arm and proceed to your left arm. Right leg and left leg, it needs to be level to your back, and also you need to consider pointing up your toe. Second variation, lateral position. Third variation, contralateral position.
That's it. I hope you learned from my demonstration of the bird dog series. So thank you for watching. Bye!